I started this channel in 2021, and oh, what a journey it has become. Welcome back, or welcome if you're new here. I am Katrina, and this is the Priceless Pearl Life. It's a lifestyle channel. So what can you expect on my channel? Lots of tablescape inspiration, all on a budget. Home decor inspiration in every room and for every season. And every now and then, I venture into DIY. Home updates, cleaning tips, and motivation. Oh, I'm something serious in the kitchen. And there are vlogs as well. So you're only just a few clicks away from joining the family. So go ahead and hit that subscription and hit that notification bell twice so you never miss an upload from the Priceless Pearl Life. You did it! Well, welcome to my priceless family.